Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here. We're asked to find the exact perimeter of this right triangle. Well, what's the perimeter? Perimeter is a fence, so we need to add these three values together. So we need to add the square root of 27 plus the square root of 75 plus the square root of 48. But remember, we can only add these together if the radicand, that number inside the square root, is the same. And right now they're not the same. So let's try to make them the same. Well, square root of 27. We can rewrite 27 as 9 times 3. And we can take the square root of 9. That's 3. And we're left with the square root of 3. Now, what about 75? Remember, I tell you to always look for the hints. The hint here is that we need a radicand of 3 left behind. Is 75 something times 3? Yes, it's 25 times 3. And we know that 25 is a perfect square, so we can take the square root of 25 and get 5, and we're left with the square root of 3. Now the first two terms have the same radicand. So let's try to do the same with the third. Is 48 something times 3? Well, 48 divided by 3 tells me 16. And look at that, 16 is a perfect square. The square root of 16 is 4. So this simplifies to 4 square root of 3. Now all three terms have that same radicand, a 3. So we can add those coefficients in front. 3 plus 5 plus 4 is 12. So this is 12 square root of 3. And don't forget your unit of measurement, centimeters. So this is our exact perimeter. We didn't have to round, we didn't have to use a calculator. Now when you enter this into your calculator, you're told that 12 square root of 3 is 20.8 centimeters. This is no longer an exact number. This is an approximate. So we can write that it's approximately equal to our 12 square root of 3 from above.